Okay, today I'm back with another YouTube video. Today I will be showing you how to get unlimited money, keys, and people and boards on Subway Surfers. Excuse the background of my dumb brothers. They acting stupid. But yeah, so let's get into the video. So what you want to do, go into Google and go to AC right there, market, AC market. Confirm. So it's gonna take you to a page, and no, I don't wanna go to no Twitter. No Twitter. No. So you can go to AC Market, and it's gonna say download Android. It's gonna have numbers on it. Then go to Subway Surfers and download it. I already installed it, so I ain't gonna download it again. And go to Subway Surfers, and you got your modded. Well, I wouldn't say modded, but unlimited keys, money, people, and boards. So yeah. So it's loading, and I want y'all to drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will be posting daily videos, like mostly every day. So y'all can just text in the comments. I'll read the comments and tell me what other videos that y'all want to do. Other videos that y'all want me to do. See, I got that person right there. He's the special person. I got unlimited keys. I got unlimited money. Okay. I'm about to say all the people. Because they give you new people too. I got unlimited people. I got all the unlimited people. I got all the unlimited boards. I got every single last one of the new boards. So yeah, if y'all like that video, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be posting daily videos. Peace, y'all.